this morning, and I just thought we're a little bit early, so we've come up to the hotbed shop for a Friday breakfast. I've got the traditional sausage roll, and Tua's got the pineapple pie. And if you'd like to know which hotbread shop it is, it's the one in Manurewa, South Mall, next to New World. It's the best pineapple pie you can buy in Manurewa. We've hunted, and they've always got the same pineapple pie, and they're a family favourite. I'm just going to get stuck into my sausage roll. That it's full of meat, and it's full of flavour, and yeah, we're just going to enjoy before I go to the doctor. First bite, the best. South Mall hotbread shop beats Clendon hotbread shop. A lot of people rave and go on about Clendon Bakehouse by Clendon Pack and Save, but Manurewa hotbread shop next to New World makes the best sausage rolls, and it's my once a month treat. So good. The pastry's nice and soft, and it's not crumbly. Just enjoying it. And it's a lovely way just to spend 5 minutes with hubby before he goes off to work. He's taking the morning off to go with me to the doctor, and then he's off to work. And it's just nice time together. And New World's not very busy today. I think it's due to the wet and cold weather. And the hotbread shop by New World in Manurewa is always open, and it's always fully stocked, and you don't need to go up there and be disappointed with the choices, because they have the same choices that you people like. And you can't fault clean Manurewa hotbread shop. It is called Hotbread, next to New World in Manurewa. Go there and you won't be disappointed. And what's the bread called? What's the bread called?
What bread?
The crunchy bread.
Jang bread.
No, the dry bread.
Oh, panu.
They've got a
Panuno.
panuno bread, and the
Crostini. Yeah.
crostini, and they've got the square biscuits that whenever people come over from Samoa, we're getting to bring them over, but these ones are just as very close to the Samoan ones that are traditionally from Samoa. And it's nice to see a hotbread shop catering for different cultures. And well, that's all now, because I'm off to the doctors. Have a good day, and thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. So nice and hot. Another wet day. Talia and I have stayed over for a couple of days, and we just done all the washing. We're just going to drop it after we've been to the doctor. We're just going to drop it at the laundry, and it's a really good laundry in Clendon. We can drop it off and pick it up, and it's just about done for straight away. So there's no panic, and they're very reliable. What an awful day.
Yeah. Nice day, yeah.
I think the rain's set in. So what else can you do but curl up under a blanket and watch Netflix? Thanks for joining us, and thanks for supporting our site, and have a blessed day everybody, and take care on the roads.
Goodbye.